This 2020 Airstream Caravel 19CB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 19 feet 2 inches in length and features a tungsten, autumn night interior, sleeps 4, air conditioning, LP detector, auxiliary battery, TV, leveling jacks, microwave, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, smoke detector, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Airstream Caravel 19CB is 3,850 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.